All right. Hi, I'm Ethan Zamaripa, Danny's kid, and I bet you have seen this problem going around on FB. So here we have 3 pairs of shoes equals 30. We got 2 bullies and a pair of shoes for 20, 2 coals and a bully for 13, and then you got a single shoe. Then you have the bully holding coals and wearing shoes, and a single thing of coal. And we have to find out what that equals. So, I have made some variables. Shoes, going for the pair, is S. Bully is going to be B. And coals, for both newspaper rolls of coals, is going to be C. So I just rewrote the problem. Shoes plus shoes is 30. Bully plus shoes is 20. Coals plus bully is 13. And a shoe plus a bully with coals and shoes times a single thing of coal. So we could, from the first equation, we have 3 shoes, so that's 3s, and that will equal 30. Then we have 2 bullies, so that's 2b plus a thing of shoes, and that is for 20. Then we have coals and coals, so that's 2 coals, and that plus a bully, and that equals 13. Then for our last one, I put parentheses around it so it's a little easier. We have a single shoe, so that's half the amount of shoes you get in a pair. 2 shoes in a pair, 1 shoe, that's 1/2. So half the amount of shoes plus a bully, so the quantity of a bully with coals, two things of coal, and he's wearing 2 shoes. And then that is being multiplied by a single thing of coal. So that's half the amount that we're used to. So that's 1/2 S plus the quantity of bully plus coals plus shoes times 1/2 the amount of coals. So now we could, with this information box, I like to say, we have 3 shoes for 30, 2 bullies and a pair of shoes for 20. We have 2 coals and a bully for 13. And then, of course, we have our final equation, which we're trying to solve for. So starting with the first one, we have 3s equals 30. You divide both sides by 3 to get s equals 10. Wow, that was pretty easy. So now in my little answer space here, I can write s equals 10. Now, we could take s and put this in for bullies. In the second equation. So that's 2b plus 10, because we're substituting s in, equals 20. So we subtract 10 from both sides. We get 2b equals 10. Divide both sides by 2. We get bullies equals 5. Alright, so that was relatively easy. So I could write down in my answer box, bullies is 5. Then, for our last one, we have 2c plus the amount of bully, value of a bully, so that's 5, equals 13. So I subtract 5 from both sides, and I get 2c equals 8. I divide both sides by 2. C equals 4. Alright, that was also relatively easy. So C is 4. So now for the last equation, it includes all of our variables. So that means we have 1/2 s, and the value of s is 10. So 1/2 times 10 plus the value of a bully is 5, of coals, which is 4, and shoes, which is 10. And then that is getting multiplied by a single newspaper of coal. So that's 1/2 C. So that's 1/2 times the amount of coals. So that's 4. Now we just have to simplify. 1/2 times 10 is 5. And then that's being added to 5 plus 4 plus 10. 5 and 4 is 9. 9 and 10 is 19. And then that is getting multiplied by 1/2 times 4. That is 2. So we have this. Alright, so 19 times 2, that is 38. And then 5 gets brought down. 5 and 38 is 43. That's our answer to the Facebook problem that has been going around for quite a little bit now. So that is how you solve this problem with the shoes, the bully, the coal, or similar. Toodaloo, and I'm Ethan Zamarripa.